Hi, Sean Stodola, Warranty Manager at Charleston Homes.
Todd Hansen, Assistant Warranty Manager at Charleston Homes.
And today we just want to kind of talk to you guys about the whole post-close procedure. So at the walkthrough, the builders will walk you through the home, show you how everything's functioning, and typically they're looking for cosmetic items as well as anything that needs to be adjusted prior to you taking over ownership or possession of the home. So our job in the warranty is we do a 60-day, so 60 days after close, and an 11 months, so 11 months after closing, reviews. During those reviews, it's set up by somebody in our office. They'll generally email out, try to get a hold of you that way to schedule that review. And then if we can't get a hold of you via email, eventually we'll try to reach out with a phone call. So once we get that scheduled, Todd, myself usually go out for the 60-day. On the north side, if you're on the south side, it's typically Brian and myself. But at those 60-day reviews, we're kind of looking for any questions, concerns you have. So after you've taken possession and you have any questions related to the house, but not necessarily an emergency or priority, we ask that you just keep a little list. It could be as simple as a Post-it note, or if you wanted to keep an Excel spreadsheet, something like that. But just keep notes, and then when we come out, we can address those questions, concerns. We don't really need to know about them beforehand, unless, of course, it's an emergency or priority. And in that case, between the time of close and your warranty review, we would like you to send those in, just because emergencies and priorities are treated a little bit different than the minor adjustments and things of that nature. Some major or minor warranty concerns that we'd want to hear about before the review periods?
Any kind of leaks, so plumbing leaks, condensation issues, those sort of things. Those we want to know about so we can take care of right away for you. If you've got an active leak, we want to get that fixed rather than letting it go as long as possible. We want to get that fixed sooner than later. Some minor things that we look at, typical floor squeaks. Sometimes wood floors can creak on you a little bit. Doorknobs adjusting. Some doors maybe aren't shutting quite right or something like that over time. Those are all things that we kind of ask that you hold, and we can address those at the 60-day or 11-month, depending on time for those.
And then settling's another one. Sometimes, depending on when you move in, you may experience some settling around the foundation, which isn't at all abnormal. But typically, if it's 6 inches or more, we ask that you send it in early or in between the warranty periods. If it's less than 6 inches and doesn't really pose a problem, we just say save it and we'll come back at that time.
And that's the one thing we want to come in. We do a one-time settlement, Phil. So we want to make sure that if it's minor settling, we want to wait for that settling to settle out as much as possible. Like Sean's saying, if you've got something that is settling in one corner, water can't get away from the foundation, we want to get that fixed sooner than later for you.
Yeah. And so basically, bottom line is just, if you have some questions, concerns, feel free to send them in, because we'd rather you ask the question than not, because what you may think is a minor thing could actually be something we want to know about. But at the same time, if it's something just minor and adjustments and things like that, there's no need to report them. Just save them up on your own worksheet or however you're going to track it. Save those for the review periods.
Yeah, very true. And we'll be happy to sit down and answer any questions you've got, during those periods too, also. So.
And then typically at the walkthrough, when the builders are all done, you'll meet Todd or Brian.
Yes.
They'll kind of go through the warranty manual as well. And again, it's a vast of information, so we don't expect you to remember everything, but the warranty book itself has a lot of useful information in it, and it's all alphabetical.
And we also have a lot of videos and stuff online. You're watching one right now. Help yourself to watching all that stuff. There's a lot of neat information in there that can really kind of save you on sending stuff in. Simple little things that you can do yourself.
So I want to thank you for tuning in today. And don't forget to visit our models and check out our website, charlestonhomesomaha.com. Thank you.
Thank you.